Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited SE6 with 13,790 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, an electronic windshield, and an onboard computer. It's been upgraded with rider footrests, luggage rack, and a Zumo GPS. The SPYDER is a unique 3-wheeled riding experience that finds a sweet spot between touring comfort and thrilling power and agile handling. Powered by a 1330cc Rotax 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,012 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.